Hello friends, today we will talk about machine learning. Machine learning is a technology that gives computers the ability to learn from data and improve themselves. It is being used everywhere these days, be it social media, online shopping, or health services. What is machine learning? In machine learning, a computer system finds patterns or rules from data and learns them. It then uses those rules to analyze the new data and make predictions or decisions. Types of machine learning. There are three main types of machine learning: supervised learning, unexpected learning, semi-supervised and semi-supervised learning. Examples of machine learning. Here are some machine learning examples: face recognition, automated trading. Scientific discovery, challenges in machine learning. There are some challenges of machine learning, such as data quality, selection of algorithms, and use of additional functionality. Future of machine learning. The future of machine learning is very bright. It can provide solutions to problems in every field in a new and simple way. So friends, in this video we have shared some important information about machine learning. If you liked this video, then like it and share it with your friends. Thank you.